Yan guys ay so good smell. Really good smell. We are outside. We're going outside guys. We're going to Tulip mamaya. Mag-exercise muna si Afam. Then maybe ako din mag-exercise. Then ako dito kami sa kabilang bahay. Punta kami sa Tulip mamaya guys. Nakahat si Alexander kasi nga yung buhok niya, 'di ba? Ano to? Damage hair pa.
I did. Look at
Yeah. Look at guys, it's so nice. Look at so many tulip. Let's go at it. Wow, look at guys. Wait, pakita ko, magpipicture kami. But I think you're not allowed to go inside, yeah? Yeah, because it's like if people will start doing it, it will damage, yeah? Do you like it, Alexander? It's a good smell, babe.
Oh yeah.
Yeah? A flower really good. Look at ang dami pa ay.
Mommy?
Ang dami. Yeah?
Mommy, if you don't pay her the $14,
Yeah.
the police will...
Penalty. Yeah. Oh, look at this. I like it. These flowers, oh my god. Sander, don't go near yet. Oh no, maybe you can use or one by one. Nag-ano pa kami guys kasi nga yung parking sira siya. So kailangan namin mag-pay online or something like that. But look at here the decor. I don't know for the flowers. Oh, maybe I'll take picture like that, Alexander, like that. Yeah, like this. Maximum stay. Oh, just 2 hours anyway, babe.
But we can only stay like 1 hour.
Okay, like that. Look, like that. It's so beautiful like that. Oh, even the child went inside. Okay, wait. No more there. There's more there, babe. Oh, there. Maybe we can take picture there also. Yeah. Oh, it's so nice. So nice. Like that, we can take picture over there. Like
Alexander.
oh, look at that. Look at that, Alexander. More flowers, Alexander. So good smell, yeah? Yeah. Alexander. On here. This place. Look, ang ganda. Parang first time makita. Last year, meron din silang ganito. Pero hindi ako nagpunta dito dahil nga busy ang aking life. But look at, pakita ko sa inyo closer ha. Look oh. Look oh. So beautiful guys. Yan. Oh, so beautiful. Nandun silang dalawa ay. Mag-walking kami dito. And then, spring na kasi, kaya yan. May pa-flowers si Alexander. May pa-flowers si Alexander. Binigyan niya din si Afam. Yeah, look that. So nice. Yeah. It's so fresh here, to be honest. Yeah? You like it here or not?
No.
Why?
Because it's so close to where Watt was running. Because like so few people. No cars, no roads. There's nature. But yeah, overall it's nice. It looks nice. Yeah, of course.
Yeah, look
It's
at
not
that.
something that I
It's so
would
clean here. To be honest, the first time I saw here, it's like I really like it here. But before, when I went here,
even better than in London.
of course, yeah. Look at my hair, Alexander. Look at my hair.
If you drop the phone, it will go there.
I know.
So watch out. Yeah?
I will never drop it. Some people are just walking here, yeah, running. But there's no tulip here, just over there. But still, it's okay. And they have restaurant here, that one. Or I don't know how you call it, restaurant or what? Do you want to eat there?
No.
I want to eat the paella.
Yeah. And the first time I went here, ano ba nangyari sa akin? The first time I went here, I roam around, going there, searching for that bouncing, yeah?
So many flowers. so fast, yeah?
Hi.
Just park next to it.
Yeah.
I like
Here.
What?
Just park next to it and that's it.
Yeah,
You're here.
yeah.
So fast, yeah?
Yeah.
Look, ducks.
Oh, they are resting.
Don't come too close. Don't go too close, Alexander. Leave them alone. So much rubbish.
Yeah. Oh, it's good. Good smell actually. I like it too. Alexander, can you show them your funny dance? Ayan, si Alexander. Kaya niyang mag-dance kahit saan. Basta sabihin mo mag-dance. More energy, please. More energy. More energy.
I am playing it.
Okay.
Then closer, Jackson.
Okay. Well, don't show your hair. Kasi yung buhok niya hindi pa rin as in okay. Dahil nga he cut it on his own. So nice smell also. Like so much.
You can look at them, right?
Yeah.
If I buy
What?
tulips seeds,
Uh-huh.
and you
Yeah.
sit always and just look. It's been 5 hours, you didn't even blink. Like that all the time. Just stress. Like this all the time. One tulip.
Oh, funny. What are you saying about me? You're saying bad about me here, huh? Super independent yan si Alexander pag lumalabas kami. Healthy, right?
Yes.
How did you know that? You okay? You spend so much money for eating healthy and then you buy ice cream, chocolate. You want we go to stairs? This one? Thunder, hold my hand now. We're going here. Be careful, that's another stair after that. Alexander. Be careful there, okay? Better hold him because I don't want him to fall down. Alexander! Alexander, this is dangerous. Mas ano kasi ako careful kaysa sa kanya. Kaya sometimes nagiging super careful din yan. Dahil sa akin. Look over there. Yung mga tulip. Well done. Good job. Very nice.
So, how long?
Maybe 1 week more and then after that slowly they will become, you know.
Just this green, yeah? Leaves.
Yeah. Look. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's just that they don't let you come in, you know.
Or because if they do it, then that's it. Yeah. All the
Yeah.
everything they destroy.
Yeah, they will destroy it. But look at it's so beautiful, guys. Oh my God. Iba siya sa in person talaga. Super ganda, guys. Ay. It's so good smell. Really good smell. And so ay. Enjoy na enjoy.
Picture.
Okay.
A picture.
I took many pictures already. This is a video
This
now.
one was a normal.
Okay. So beautiful, babe. Don't like it?
We're here, Alia. Statue.
So beautiful. So it's okay. No, I'm saying Alexander running, it's okay because it's safe. Always checking because he's afraid, you know. When we are outside, he will run, and then stop and check where I am. Pagod si Afam dahil sa exercise. Yeah? Yeah? Oh, we lost Alexander, guys. We don't know where is he. We don't know where's Alexander. We need to call the police. He's not here. Oh no. He's not around. Alexander, where are you? Alexander, where are you? Where are you, Alexander? Oh, so good. Relaxing dito. Pero, ang parking nila is 2 hours lang. 2 hours lang yung parking. Kaya, hindi ka pwede din. I'm thinking kasi, supposedly, we can stay here longer, di ba? But, hindi. Dahil meron silang, limit. Even this one is so good. Meron nakita si Afam na pink flower na super unique, pero hindi niya ni-remove kasi nga very nice daw at saka unique. So, yeah. Punta kami ng Pizza Hut, guys. Let's eat. Nasaan ba yung sasakyan? Nandun pa pala. Malayo-layo pala ako nag-park. But it's okay. Oh my God, yung aking... Ito yung suot ko. Ito kasi yung sandal ko. May ganito siya pa lace. Kaya we're going to fix it. Oh my God. Struggle is real, guys. Hold it, Alexander. Hold it.
There's better, then we can go to the sea again.
Yeah, of course. We need to go to see this deer.
So the
Yeah.
Your lungs and your body recovers a little.
Yeah. You know, when I take video of you, so hard to include you because you're so tall. And I cannot do like that.
Shorter.
Yeah. We need to cut some of your bones. Come on, Alexander.
Cut off my bones.
Your bones. Little windy today. Yeah. Oh, so beautiful. Really beautiful. Oh my God, babe. I like it a lot, babe. I like this in our garden. Huh?
You can do like that in your garden.
You can?
Of course.
So,
yeah?
Yeah. So beautiful, guys. I like this one. Waking up in the morning with this beautiful flower. So, I'm thinking flowers na lang yung aking mga ipaplant. Look, Alexander, do you like this in the garden? Pagod na si Alexander. Hindi naman kami super naglakad. Napagod ka agad siya. We eat pizza or something nice, okay? Delicious. Delicious food, okay? Okay, so we're going now.
Well, do you have to not?
Healthy food, delicious food.
Like happy donut?
Yeah. Oh, may papla. Akala ko sa akin. I thought you would give it to me. Nice.
I did give it to you. Because there's no reason.
Yeah. Sander, let's go to the car. Actually, I don't know why just 2 hours, yeah? Maybe because if they let it, people will stay here so long. And look at this. Wait, my key! It's not here. Oh, it's here in my bag. Oh my God. Oh my God. Nandito. Nandito.
You're stressing me out.
I'm sorry. I thought I don't have the key. I had mad at me, guys. It's killing me. Kasi kanina, ano ba yung ginawa ko? Oh my God. Ano yung tawa? Ano yung nangyari kanina? Something. Basta, lahat na lang parang very, very shocking. Pagod na mukha.
Destroy.
Yan, hindi ako makapag-video sa sasakyan, guys, kasi nga ako yung magdadrive. So, yan yung disadvantage pag ako yung nagdadrive. Wala tayong video sa sasakyan. Sasakyan! Sasakyan kita!
Sasagdik.
Sakay na!
Sakay dika.
Sasakyan kita. Babe.
Weird words.
Do you love me, babe?
Yes.
Why?
Oh, so many reasons. I'm too tired. To say them all, I'm too tired.
Oh my God.
Because of your
What?
stopping every minute, taking 55,000 pictures of each tulipan here.
Filipino. It's Filipino. It's normal for Filipino. Oh,
Okay,
where's the
babe.
Tesla? It's not
Babe.
here anymore, the Tesla. Okay, go.